Hi, I'm Pierre Gagné. I'd like to show you how to use the Panorama 360 for Insurance and Wealth Management's Enterprise Business Architecture Framework to perform the capability-based planning in your organization. For this example, we'll be using three components of Panorama 360, which will be the value chain, a capability map at the second level, and the functional capabilities at the third level of decomposition. So let's start by saying that capability-based planning can be done on a number of variables. This example here, we're going to be using capability maturity and the importance of those capabilities on the strategies. So for this example, we've selected or pre-selected that selling products from the value chain is where the organization should be putting their investments. So now we have the major capabilities that are in Panorama, and it's a blank sheet at this point. So after doing a number of exercises, looking at the importance to strategies and the maturity level of the capabilities, we end up with a chart that shows basically customer care being a focus of the organization. And in the strategies here, we have three gold stars. So basically, three of those capabilities will drive the strategies of the organization, but only one capability has a poor maturity level, and it's the third one, customer needs identification. So let's focus on that one and go down one more level. So on that customer needs identification, now we have three functional capabilities. And two of them have gold stars, so they are in line with the business importance of the business strategies. And the two of them also have a poor maturity level. So the organization should be focused on those two functional capabilities for the growth of their organization, having them in line with the strategies and having a poor maturity level. So this is how you can use for capability-based planning. And if you want to know more information about Panorama 360, go to insuranceframeworks.com. And if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you very much for listening.